Hey everyone, welcome back to MBA ROI, your one-stop guide to MBA and PGDM programs. मैं हूं शिवानी और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एक ऐसे 20 स्कूल के बारे में जो प्लेसमेंट से लेकर पेडागोजी के तक हर डिपार्टमेंट में स्ट्रॉन्ग परफॉर्म करता है. दैट इज तक्षशिला बिजनेस स्कूल. So if you are exploring top PGDM colleges, watch till end and trust me, this might be the college you are looking for. So first of all, we are just going for the college overview. Takshila Business School, that is established in 2003, is a AICTE approved college and location is in Jaipur, Rajasthan. Takshila has also been recognized in the Best Brand Business School ranking of 2025 under the premium category by IIRF. और हाँ, आउटलुक आई केयर ने भी इंडिया के टॉप इमर्जिंग 20 स्कूल में रैंक किया हुआ है. They are offered a program we are talking about PGDM with a triple specialization. The structure is quite unique. You'll also pick one specialization that is a business analytic that is a mandatory to all students. You also pick any traditional or two additional major specialization from the marketing, HR, finance, international business management, entrepreneurship and operations and more. ये combination आपको versatile and industry relevant बनाता है. Now we are going to talk about curriculum and the class life. Curriculum की बात करें तो it's focused on the both technical skills and the business acumen. Major subjects includes business strategy, financial management, digital marketing, organizational behavior. और हाँ, यहाँ का class timing is little late, like it's been from the 9 a.m. to late night. It is also provides you the discipline and prepares for you long corporate hours. Takshila also run a unique activities called ManCom, जहाँ हर 15 दिन में students को industry topic पे research करके presentation देते हैं. Now we are talk about the placements and the internship. So the 2022 to 24 batch saw 100% placements. In that, 30% students got international packages and offers. And in that, highest placement was 28.60 lakh rupees. And average placements of the domestic that was 11.5 LPA. Their top recruiters includes PwC, HUL, EY, KPMG, S&P Global, Berger Paints, Axis Bank, Hero MotoCorp, Decathlon, and many more. Student here to do two internship. One is a winter internship and second one is a summer internship. Top companies for the internships like a Kantar, Airport Authority of India, and the Shree Cement offer the real world projects to the students. Now we are going to talk about the faculty and the learning style of the campus. Faculty at Takshila includes the experts from the IIMs, PhDs, and the seasoned professionals. Takshila's like teaching pedagogy is a dynamic and the interactive. तक्षशिला का फोकस है कि आप सिर्फ थ्योरी ना पढ़ें, आप एक्चुअली अप्लाई करना सीखें अपनी थ्योरेटिकल नॉलेज को प्रैक्टिकल में. ओके, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द कैंपस एंड द हॉस्टल लाइफ. Takshila offer a modern, comfortable campus in a Jaipur that also includes a Wi-Fi enabled, air-cooled hostels, 24/7 security, gym, swimming pool, and good food. Everything is assorted within a campus. ये एक corporate style campus है, not your typically college vibes. But if you are serious about your goal, this works for you. Now, we are going to talk about the fees, loan, and the admission process of the Takshila. So admissions are based on your CAT, CMAT, ZET scores, plus a personal interview and the case study analysis. If we are going to talk about the fees, so fees around the 9.5 lakh to 10.2 lakh rupees, depending on your plans. You call us on this number to know more about the fees structure. 100% educational loan available up to a 15 lakh rupees with this collateral free loan. Now we are going to talk about the rankings and awards of a Takshila. Takshila has so many rankings and the awards. It's also awarded by in category premium category in IIRF 2025. Ranked 10th in emerging B schools by Outlook. Education Impact Award 2025 also got. Best Placements Performance North India awarded by the NBA chairman. So these all are the awards that Takshila has. Now we are going to talk about the alumni and the outcomes. So alumni from Takshila are working with the big brands like Alibaba, PwC, EY, Hero, HUL, ICICI Bank, Berger Pen and many more. So they often return as a mentor and the recruiters, which shows strong alumni bonding. If we are talking about the Takshila ka strict behavior like discipline, class timings, fixed schedules, it's not a very chill, but honestly, this is a training ground. It prepares you for the hustle of a real corporate life. So, should you consider Takshila School? If you are looking for high intensity B school that offers a great exposure, strong placements, and a corporate grooming, the answer is a yes. For the personalized help with the admission, education loan, and the scholarship, reach out to us at the mbaroi.in. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest and helpful for the B Schools reviews. Thank you.